Welcome to MH class. So today we'll discuss some questions of exercise 6.5. Before that, some useful results we have to keep in mind. Okay, what are the useful results that will be used to solve these problems, this type of problems, not only these problems, this type of problems. So first one is what is that? This already got in class 9 and 10. Though we got in class 9 and 10, and here also again I have to recall it. Area of a square is x square, perimeter is 4x if x is the length of side. Okay, x is side of the square. Area of rectangle, what is area of rectangle? Length into breadth. If x is length, y is breadth, so xy, you can write xy. Perimeter is 2 into x plus y. Okay, trapezium, what is the area of trapezium? Half into sum of the parallel sides. Half of the parallel sides. Trapezium is look like this type. So this parallel sides, sum of this if this is a, this is b, this is h. So what we can write? Half into a plus b into h. In class 9 we got this one. Area of circle pi r square, and circumference is twice pi r, where r is the radius. Okay. Volume of a sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube, and surface area is 4 pi r square. R is the radius of the sphere. Total surface area of a cylinder. Total surface area of a cylinder twice pi r h plus twice pi r square. And curved surface area twice pi r h. And volume is pi r square. So r is the radius, h is the height of the cylinder. Volume of cone. What is volume of cone? 1 by 3 pi r square is. Total surface area of the cone is pi r square plus pi r l. And curved surface area is pi r l, where r is the radius of the base of the cone. This base of the cone radius. Okay. And l is the slant height. This is l, and this is h. L is the slant height, h is the height of the cone. Then next is volume of cuboid. What is volume of cuboid? Volume of cuboid is lb into h, length, breadth into height. Total surface area of cuboid 2 into lb plus bh plus hL. And lateral surface area of cuboid is 2 into lb into h. Volume of cube is l cube. Total surface area of cube is 6l square, and lateral surface area of cube is what? 4l square. L is the length of the cube. Okay, 4l square. So this formula you have to keep in mind, keep in our own mind, then we can solve the problem. Okay, this will be used. See question number 19 of exercise 6.5. What is question number 19? Show that of all the rectangles inscribed in a given fixed circle, the square has maximum area. Okay, this is question number 19 of exercise 6.5. So this is a rectangle which is inscribed in a circle, but if the maximum area, it will be a square. When the area of the rectangle is maximum, then it will become a square. That we have to show. Here, radius of the circle is assumed as a, length is x, and breadth of the rectangle, length of the rectangle is x, breadth of the rectangle is y. Now we are getting here, this is right angle triangle, this is also right angle triangle, this is also any one right angle triangle we can take this, and we'll get the relation between x and y and the radius. So this is x, this is y, this is SC will be a plus a twice a. So what will get? X square plus y square is equal to twice a square, and x square plus y square 4a square. Express in terms x in terms of y, y in terms of x, y in terms of x. Y is equal to root over a 4a square minus x square. Okay. So we know that area of rectangle is x into y. So x into y, value of y is this, root over 4a square minus x square. Either you have to express x in terms of y or y in terms of x. Better to do the y in terms of x and remove y. Okay, because area related to the sides. So either dA dx we need to find out, or dA dy we need to find out. Anyone we can find out. So dA dx, now find out dA dx. Okay, dA dx, because it is a function of x, so find out dA dx. If we product of function, first function differentiate of the second is this, plus second function differentiate of first is 1, this is 1. So this will be, if we 2 plus 2 to cancel, minus n is a minus x square root over 4a square minus x square plus 2. And if we take the LCM, LCM is root over 4a square minus x square, root over 4a square minus x square, and half what will get, minus x square. This into this is radical sign will remove 4a square minus x square, and simplify, minus 2x square, so 2 common, 2a square minus x square. Again this is the value of dA dx. Again this one, again differentiate this with respect to x, d square a by dx square. If we differentiate this fx by gx form, fx by gx form, product of quotient of two function. So gx whole square, that radical sign will be removed, 4a square minus x square, gx into f dash x, differentiate of this, minus 4x minus 2 into, again fx into g dash x, fx into g dash x, that formula I have to apply. And if we simplify, we are getting this one, twice x, x square minus 6a square by 4, the result is what, twice x into x square minus 6a square 4 square minus x is equal to the 3 by 2. So we are getting these results. But for maximum minima, what do you have to say dA by dx is equal to 0. For maximum minima, we need to say dA by dx is equal to 0. So if we simplify, dA by dx is 2 into 2a square minus x square root of 4a square is 0. That means the numerator is 0, that is 2 into 2a square minus x square is equal to 0. So 2a square minus x square is 0, x square is equal to root, that is x is equal to root 2a if we simplify this. Okay, at this point x is equal to root 2a, d square a by dx square is equal to what? If we put the values in here, this is d square, this is d square a dx square, here you put x is equal to root 2a, so 2 into root 2a, 2 square, 2a square minus 6a square, 4 square minus 2a square to the 3 by 2. If we simplify, order will get minus 4. Minus 4 is less than 0. That means what? That area is maximum. Area is maximum at which point? At x is equal to root 2a. This is the point of local maxima. Then y is equal to what? Now put the value of y, x to get y. Y is equal to root over, what was y? Y is equal to root over 4 square minus x square. Here you put the values of x. So 4 square minus 2 square, so we will get twice root 2a. That means what? X is equal to x also root 2a, y is also root 2a. X is equal to y. So whatever the diagram will be a length and breadth are same. So it will become a square. Diagram we assume that rectangle, and here length and breadth are same, that means a square. When it is a square, so area is maximum when the rectangle is a square. When getting area is maximum, d square by dx square is less than 0. So what we can say, area is maximum when the rectangle is a square. Okay, next question C. Show that, question number 20, show that the right circular cylinder of a given surface and maximum volume is such that its height is equal to the diameter of the base. Height is equal to the S is equal to D, diameter, that we have to show. Okay, so this is a cylinder where radius is R, height is H, S is the surface of the cylinder, V is the volume. So according to the formula, surface area, total surface area twice pi RH plus twice pi R square. So as we know, we have to show that height and diameter, ultimate is height and radius twice r, that we have to show relation with twice r. So s, express s in terms of h. So twice pi rh plus twice pi r square. So twice pi rh is equal to twice pi s minus twice pi r square. Twice pi rh is equal to s minus twice pi r square. So h is equal to s minus twice pi r square twice pi r. This is number 1. And v is equal to v r square h. V r square h. Now from these two equations, what we can say? Put the value of h in number 2. V is equal to pi r square. H is equal to s minus twice pi r square twice pi r. So v is equal to this. If we simplify. Now dv dr, differentiate this, what will get? Half. With respect to differentiate, so s, this 6 pi r square. Okay. Next, what will get? See, d square v dr square. If we differentiate this, what will get? Half. This is 0. Minus 12 pi r, so minus 6 pi r. For maximum minimum, dv by dr is equal to 0. Maximum minimum dv by dr is equal to 0. Okay. So put the value of dv by dr. dv dr is what? dv dr is half s minus 6 pi r. So half s minus 6 pi r square is equal to 0. So s minus 6 pi r square is equal to 0. R is equal to root over s by 6 pi. Okay. So at r is equal to root over s by 6 pi, what is dv dr? dv dr is nothing but a negative quantity, and this is a positive. So ultimate, this will be negative. So d square v by dr square is negative. So volume is maximum at r is equal to s by 6 pi. That time the volume is maximum. Okay. If volume is maximum is this time, so therefore r is the point of maximum. S is equal to, what will get? S is equal to 6 pi r square. Substitute this s is 6 pi r square in what? H is equal to what? Because we asked to prove that H is equal to diameter twice r. That we need to show. If we put this one and simplify, we are getting H is equal to twice r. Twice r means a diameter. So what we can say? Hence the volume of a given right circular cylinder is maximum when the height is equal to the diameter. Height is equal to the diameter. Okay. Next, see the last question for the today's question number 23. What is question number 23? Prove that the volume of largest cone that can be inscribed in a plane of radius capital R, not plane, in a sphere, not plane, of radius capital R is 8 by 27 of the volume of the sphere. That means when the largest cone, volume of the largest cone is nothing but the 8 by 27 of the volume of the sphere. So this is the sphere, we assume, and this is the cone. Now volume of the cone is largest. At the time when it will be largest, 8 by 27 of the volume of the sphere. Capital R is the radius of the sphere, and we assume that OD, this OD is equal to x. If OD is equal to z, what will be the radius of this cone? We will find out. Let OD is equal to x. So BD is equal to, this is a right angle triangle, this is R, this is x. So BD is equal to r square minus x square. R square minus r square minus x square. This is BD, that is the radius of the cone. AD is equal to height, that is OA plus OD. OA is nothing but capital R plus x. P is the volume of the cone. So volume is what? 1 by 3 pi r square h. R is the radius BD. So BD square, h is nothing but AD. So BD square into AD. So BD square is what? BD is what? BD is root over r square minus x square. Root over. So square is there. So root over will be removed. R square minus x square, and AD is r plus x. Okay. This is the volume. Now dv dx is equal to what? Differentiate this with respect to x. 1 by 3 pi product of two function r square minus x square, and if you differentiate this one, so ultimate is this. Again r plus x, differentiate of this is minus twice x, and simplify. If we simplify, then what will get? This is the expression 1 by 3 pi r square minus twice rx minus 3x square you will get. Okay, now again differentiate this d square v by dx square 1 by 3 pi minus twice r minus 6x, and for maximum value dv dx is equal to what? 0. So if we simplify this, put the values of dv dx, that is r square minus twice r square minus twice rx minus 3x square is equal to 0. So this equation will get quadratic equation in r will get, or we can say quadratic equation in x also. So r minus 3x into r plus x is equal to 0. So r is equal to 3x and r plus x, but r plus x cannot be 0. This is not equal to 0. Okay, both are the length, so their values, if we add them, we'll never get 0. So this values is not 0 means, so this is 0. If this is 0, r is equal to 3x, so x is equal to 1 by 3r. We are getting x is equal to 1 by 3r. Okay. At x is equal to 1 by 3r means r by 3, d square v by dx square is equal to, put the value 1 by 3 pi minus twice r minus 6 into r by 3, so minus twice r minus 4r minus 4 by 3 pi r. This is for any values of r, it is always less than 0. So v is maximum at x is equal to r by 3. So volume is maximum when x is equal to r by 3. So maximum value, now find out the maximum value. What will be the maximum value? 1 by 3 pi. Then volume, what is the volume? Volume already got this one. V is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square minus x square into r plus x. Here we have to put the values of x. Okay. So maximum volume 1 by 3 pi r square minus r square by 9 into r plus r by 3. Clear? R by 3. So simplify this. LCM of this is 9. 9 is r square minus 1 r square, 8 r square, 4r. So if we arrange this, 8 by this 8 we are taking, 27 is taking, so 8 by 27 we are getting. So what is the remaining? 4 is the remaining here, enough. 3 is the remaining, down. 4 by 3, pi is there, and r square into r is r cube. This is the formula of the volume of the sphere. So what we can say, 8 by 27 volume of the sphere. So in this type of questions, first we have to make the relation. First find out the relation, then find out the first derivative, f dash x, then f double dash x. Find out maximum critical points. That for x dash x is equal to 0. Here find out for x is equal to what, and for that find out f double dash x. If it is greater than 0, then minimum, and if it is less than 0, then maximum. So in this we have to solve the questions. Okay, I hope you understand. If any doubt, inbox me. I'll try to my best to clear your concept. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.